Another note for creating shape of your train is gradient. Okay, for better understanding the gradients, I activate 2D view. Then for seeing the height map, activate the show raw. And as you can see, this is our height map. As I said before, the white part are going up based on the build, this height. And with a gradient, it's going to the gray and create this slope to the dark area. The black area is 0 in height. And the white is the maximum height of the software height that you assign here in build train definition, okay? So this is gradient, simple slope that you can create on your shape, that you can combine it into other node. Simply, you can change the scale. As you can see, it's bring this line here, and it causes this effect because in this part is going to the white again, and you can create something like this. And you can scale it down to the middle, and here you can change the direction of that. As you can see, it's changed the direction of this line. Right click here. Edge behavior, you can change the edge behavior here. Mirror, none. And as you can see, if you make it none, if you change the direction, it does not mirror the white part. And you can create this 0 height. Another thing here is a repeat. As you can see, it's repeat, repeat, repeat. And edge again, it's like none. Another thing interesting is a radial. Nice. And as you can see, it's create a radial noise like this, and you can create white part are going up and with the slope going to the black part. You can change the scale. As you can see, it changed the position of this direction, that direction, or in Y. And as you can see, you can rotate them, transfer them in any direction that you want. Another mode is a helix. Nice. You can create a helix. The scale, right click. With the edge, you can make it a mirror. And as you can see, this is an helix. It's bring the white area based on this point and turn to this area. And you can create something like this. You can change the start and the end. Okay, you can create these slopes and shapes. Look at the 2D and you can understand it. Black area are down, 0 height, and the white area are. We can create something like this. For example, a train that you are going in this shape, you can use them. Okay, radial again. Right click on this, right click on this to restart. You can make it invert and create something like this. As you can see, it's black area and a 0 height. It's snapped to the floor, and the white area are going up. For changing the height, I suggest you change the clamp max value. And here you can see. And turn off the invert. And now you can see this simple, smooth heel if you want. Nice. And this color means you use post-product. No, these are post-product, or I call it shapers, or anything that you want. It's here. In every node that you insert it, we have these settings below the main setting. Here is the gradient if you want to use. Don't forget to turn on the 2D and enhance view to see what happened here. They're using the height map. Black and white is everything. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.